glowy up here.
Let's get back to some Americana
Well,
misery.
that's not what you pay your big bucks for. We work so hard to hide our happiness away from you.
You got a murder ballad for us? Murder, suicide
Several
ballad?
deaths and This isn't quite murder-suicide ballad territory, but it's edging that way. It's like the precursor to the murder-suicide.
Yeah, this one's real sad. You can say that. Why do you say that?
It's called Remember Wild Horses. First daughter of a knight of Columbus, friend to moonbeams and painter's brushes. There was not a single one among us who thought she'd be alone. Now she loves her nieces and all her nephews, green tea and the good view of the butterfly wings and the cornflowers out back behind her home.